Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo back to take you to the target dollar spot. He keep pulling me back in, okay? Enjoy the video and don't forget, stay in the video till it comes to a complete stop. And Miss Yo-Yo will be back at the end to say her bye-byes. Honey, I'm home. Well, I'm back at Target, at the Target dollar spot to bring you the latest finds in the Target dollar spot. Let me just tell you right now, these Targets have been packed. I went to 3 different Target stores and the Target dollar spot is being stocked right now. If you're looking for some items, maybe for a summer reset, Miss Yo-Yo got some finds up in the Target dollar spot you don't want to miss. I put money on that. Well, Miss Yo-Yo wants to give a shout out to one of her regular loyal viewers. I want to say shout out to Pam. Thank you so much for coming by, checking out the video. I so greatly appreciate it. Let's keep going because Miss Yo-Yo got more to show you. Here we go, the Target dollar spot dropping something new again, okay? Let me just tell you, I was on my way out the door, came back, decided to go around the corner, and there was some more new stuff I missed. I've got a couple of new things here for you. This glassware, that was another thing I saw, came back double for. Those are nice for that with the little wicker around them right there. That'll work. Now, when the Target dollar spot does a reset, they normally have somewhat of a theme going on. Now this time I'm gonna say it's more outdoors, and I mean outdoors for the kids and outdoor for the adults. We saw the little trays for the grill area. Now we got stuff here I thought was very cute for the kids right here, and these little buckets, these like little sand buckets right here. And this one right here, this was when I came back, double back, and found this right here when I turned the corner. These little buckets are so cute with the rope handle. Those right there, those are keepers right there. If you enjoy in-store videos like this, please hit that thumbs up and give me a like. Also, leave a comment. And if you also would check me out on Facebook and Instagram, I post there quite frequently finds that I find on the spur of the moment at Target and other stores. This is one of my favorite things I found in the Target dollar spot. These little chalkboards, they fold open and close right here. That right there is adorable for $5. Now I'm over here trying to get video. My sister's with me. She sees these little gardening shovels. And she's oohing and ah, ooh, this is so cute. Because at her school, they're having a gardening contest. Each classroom has a garden bed, and she's in the process of doing the garden. So this week is Teacher Appreciation Week, so I might tip on back and pick that up for, along with the little, I think they had an apron as well. I'm going to get that for as a little gift. Now these placemats are adorable here. They came in 2 different color things, the black and the brown, and also white and the brown. Let me just tell you, for $5, these were nice for $5. Now, even though I told y'all that the Target dollar spot usually has a thing when they do a reset, they've got a lot of new home decor items up in here, personal care items up in here. You know the Target dollar spot is always changing. It changes on a dime. Now these little plant saucers here, I want to thank the person that came up with that idea, because how many times have you tried to find something to put your plant on? It's draining. You end up putting it on a saucer or something like that, but that little mat right there will do the trick. Now you know and I know the number one place to probably find an affordable gift for someone, whether it be housewarming gift, personal gift, is the Target dollar spot, right? Now, I don't know about you, but here's the deal. My friend Meredith, she's having another party. So I usually bring something. I might have to go to this Target dollar spot and find a girl a gift. Okay. I usually bring a gift. She's like, you're the only person I bring a gift. And that's when my mama raised me. Okay. And I'm going to keep bringing a gift every time you invite me over. Let me let you in on a little secret. I tipped back and got the little shovel, and I also got this mat, the blue mat for my sister, for her to use in her little garden, little kneeling mat right here. Is it just me? But every time I come in the Target hospital, I'm horrified by picking up some glassware because I'm afraid I'm gonna break something. Now, the last time I was at the Target hospital, they had these single containers like that. I picked up one of those for a sugar container in my kitchen. And they also had these water bottles here as well. Now, if you're a girl that likes these in-store videos, please feel free to check out the playlist. There's plenty more for you to see. Now, these items right here, these were the clearance items right here. They're 50% off. Now, you know, when you go to the Target dollar spot, you can always find some home decor items. They got you covered. So keep that on your list too. You know what? The kids are going to be going away to college pretty soon. So maybe the Target dollar spot might be the place you might want to tip on over here and see if you can find a few things. Now let me tell you, Miss Yo-Yo broke her own rule. I left my wallet in the car, but I did leave and go back and get it to buy my sister's gift. I normally leave my card in the car for a reason, but I didn't want to come back, so I was able to buy it, put it back in the car before she got there. Whew, that was some working, okay? They had so much in the Target dollar spot that was on clearance. You hear me? On clearance. So if you got your eye on anything that you've been looking for something, hey, you know how they do it. They restock the Target dollar spot almost every day. That's why Miss Yo-Yo's keeping you up to date with the latest finds in the Target dollar spot. You looking for something? You better check back, girl. These little clear canisters, I want to redo our pantry, and I got my eye on those right there. All those different shapes right there. I'm working it in my head right now. Now I'm gonna disclose something to you, but don't you tell nobody, okay? Miss Yo-Yo must go to the Target dollar spot at least 4 times a week. Well, go to Target at least 4 times a week. How many times do you go to Target a week? Go ahead, leave a comment. I won't tell nobody. Now they got the variety of different plates here. Now this is something absolutely new. $3, okay? $3. I'm telling you right now. It's a microwave safe. It's microwave safe. You better get those. You better definitely get those. They had a variety of them. So check those out the next time you're in Target dollar spot. Now I will tell you, Miss Yo-Yo did tip on down. to the planner aisle at Target to see if there was anything new. I saw a few little new things. We might be doing an update to my last Target planner video, if you know what I mean. Girls, Miss Yo-Yo got problems. She got retail problems. I started a new job in about a week and a half. I don't know what to do. I won't be near a Target, a Walmart, a Dollar Tree. What am I gonna do? What am I gonna do for lunch? I don't know. I don't know. Now let me tell you, this little cheese board right here, ceramic. Very, very nice for $5, okay? I got my eye on that too. Just trying to figure out what I could do with it. You know how sometimes you just see something, you're like, I need to buy that because I need to do something with it, but you don't know what you want to do. That's how I felt. Now look at all this goodness. My Target dollar spot, all three of them, none of them disappointed, okay? None of them. So you check your Target dollar spot and see what's going down and come back and tell me, show you what you found, okay? Now, if you're still in the video, that means you're liking what you're seeing. So make sure you hit that thumbs up and leave me a like. Also leave a comment. Now, you know at the Target dollar spot, they're good for a couple of things, okay? You can always find dish towels in there. We can always find socks. We can always find home decor. We can always find a gift in the Target dollar spot. So my girls, let me ask you, have you ever bought a gift for someone in a Target dollar spot for a holiday or birthday, whatever, you know? Leave a comment below and let me know. Ain't no judgy eyes here. And they got these little buckets here you could use as a little ice bucket for outdoors, you know, give you a little idea right there. They also had these metal tables here, folding tables. So if you look for a little table outside, they had them in black and white for $5. Hey everybody, it's Yo-Yo. Well, thank you so much for checking out the video. If you enjoyed what you saw, make sure you please hit that like button, leave a comment. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the playlist over here. Now, if you have not subscribed, I don't know why you ain't, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on the all notification. Now, let me give you the disclaimer. When exiting the videos, please check out for all your personal. Remember, no trip. I saw you. Get up. Ain't nothing wrong with you. You tripped on purpose, okay? Why people want to try me? Why do you want to try me, Yo-Yo, okay? A girl will see y'all next time. Bye-bye.